Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another healthcare work from home job lead. Now, this one is entry level and it does pay very well. Unfortunately, it is for my United States folks only. My international folks, please be patient with me. I am looking for jobs that hire worldwide. In the meantime, linked down in the description box below, there are several playlists. One is jobs that hire globally, or you can just go to my channel page. But I have recently, in the last week, posted jobs that do hire worldwide. So if you've not seen those, check those out. But for my United States folks, the company Circle Medical is hiring a pharmacy support specialist. Now, this is more of a customer service role to support the actual pharmacy. It's not an actual job within the pharmacy. So what you'll be doing is you'll be serving as a liaison or a go-between person between the pharmacy and the patients and making sure that the patient care coordinators across phone, fax, and or other modes of communication. You'll introduce and educate the pharmacies in markets to Circle Medical and the commitment to quality-based medicine. You'll advocate for the patients and coordinate their prescription requests or follow-ups with the pharmacy as needed, and you'll proactively help troubleshoot and provide assistance that impacts any of the Circle Medical patient pharmacies' experience. Now, this is a entry-level position. It says right here it is entry-level. This role is paying anywhere from $23 to $25 an hour plus stock options, and so that can be additional income on top of your $23 to $25 an hour if stock prices rise. It also offers full medical, dental, vision benefits and paid vacation. So if you are still interested, they are looking for someone who has a private and HIPAA compliant environment for remote work. So this is 100% remote work from home. Because of HIPAA guidelines, you can't be in an open space in your house where other people can be around and see patient-sensitive information. You need to have a dedicated home office that you can shut the door, and other people, when you are working, cannot come in and see your computer screen. They are looking for someone who has 2 years experience working in some kind of customer service or sales role. So if you've worked in retail stores, that is both sales and customer service. They're looking for someone who loves to be on the phone with patients and help patients. If you have a prior experience in healthcare or startup or technology, they don't require any college degree. However, they do require a high school diploma or GED and that you have fluency in English. Now, the one caveat to this is they are looking for someone who has experience working with and supporting Mac or Apple products. So they want to know that you are able to use Mac or Apple products and you understand how they work. But now in today's world, with everyone having an iPhone, that shouldn't be too hard to meet that qualification. Now, they do require some weekend hours. The hours that they are looking for someone to work is posted in the job description, and of course I will leave this linked down below. Alright, if you found this job lead helpful or any of my job leads helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends and family so we can all live our healthiest, happiest lives working from home and having that work-life balance. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.